Welcome back to and this guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix error code 0x8096002A in Windows 10 and 11. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Windows, click on the Create One option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, the error code 0x8096002A in Windows 10 or 11 typically occurs when there's an issue with accessing your syncing files with OneDrive and a lot more. But of course, we are here to give you several methods that you can try to fix this error. Number one is you need to first check the OneDrive status if that's the one causing the issue. Before troubleshooting, ensure that OneDrive is running and there are no ongoing service outages or maintenance. And of course, you can check the status of OneDrive on the Microsoft 365 service status page. Now, the next thing that you can do is you need to go to the command prompt, all right? And from here, type in these commands, all right? Number one is type in dism/online/cleanup, of course, /scan health, and of course, press enter. Okay, now that's one thing. Now try to do this one again. Now the next option is instead of scan health, it's gonna be check health, and of course press enter. Just wait for it a little bit. And the last command is gonna be restore health, and from here just press enter. All right. After doing that, you might wanna check the firewall advanced security settings if it's not the one causing the error, right? Make sure to temporarily disable your firewall settings to see if that works. Now, if none of the above steps works, I suggest you contact the Microsoft Support Center, and from here choose the Windows, and I believe that they're gonna give you a troubleshooting steps that we don't know, because these steps should be able to troubleshoot and fix the error code 0x8096002A in Windows 10 or 11. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.